Hey there! One of the best things that I've done for my health, and especially during pregnancy, has been to have regular chiropractic adjustments to make sure that everything is aligned and working correctly, especially as my body changes and getting ready to have this new baby. So I am 37 weeks pregnant, and I'm taking you along in this video to my chiropractic adjustment. My chiropractor does a great job modifying things as needed and helping with stretches and things like that. So I wanted to just show what the process is like, because it's been really helpful for me and I feel an immediate difference as soon as I get adjusted. So I'm going to bring you along and have him explain some of the things that he's doing and why it's helpful. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.
So we just kind of walk through what we're doing tomorrow. Yeah. Well, for whoever this will be shown with, right? That's right, kind of an illustrated 37-week adjustment with Lydia here. And essentially looking for where there are postural changes that have created tonal changes that have restricted bony movement. That bony movement is going to affect mobility above and below the kinetic chains. And pregnant girls actually adjust really easy with all the relaxing hormone and everything. So we go super gentle, and as we're palpating down here on those SI joints, you gotta rotate it high right on there. You come up that low back, and then with that rotation, we definitely feel some loss of curve right here, going through those pregnancy changes. Right here, basically right at that bottom rib, we're gonna try and rotate that bone, focusing on that stuck spot right there, okay? So we have those fingers laced up behind your neck. I'm going to breathe into a crunch. Breathe in deep for me here. All the way out. Deep. I got you. There it is. That's all it takes. Not so bad, huh? Sugar tongue on this right side here today, girl.
I felt so sleeping last night.
Did you?
Slept on one side.
Yeah, let's get a hold of you right there. Okay, so for this one, you can cross those arms section. Let's put this one underneath. Opposite of that. I'll have you put that. And you can really open that shoulder blade up. And bring that arm this way. And that one that way. There we go. So I got you protected right there. Let's breathe in deep and down. Nice. So we're just letting the weight of her body with targeted pressure against the vertebra, ribs as needed, just mobilize those bones where they're stuck. Have you been playing guitar much still?
A little bit.
Wow. Well, that was neat, wasn't it?
No.
Okay. Let's go ahead and leave all the back face up. Okay, we'll bring this down.
The stretch is really helpful.
Good. You try to do some of these at the house when you can?
Yeah, and I've gone swimming a couple times.
Good for you.
To do stretches in the water. That really helps.
That was a big done.
To relieve the pressure.
How's this one right here? Dirty cross. You feel that pull in the back or bind in the front more?
More in the front.
Okay. That's not good. How about this one? Bring in the front, back, outside.
It's good.
Is it? Okay. Relax. Okay there. So let's straighten this out. Let's bring this to straight forward. Contact your hip bone here. Good. You feel sharpness right in the middle. Like that.
Not too bad.
Cool.
Feels like a stretch.
Good. You are, how many weeks you said? 37? Yeah. I mean, you are right on the home stretch, huh?
Anytime in the next month.
Very good then. Wrists and elbows and stuff are going pretty good.
Yeah, I've had a little
Still cooking, cleaning, and tugboats around, huh?
I'm trying not to lift the whole way up at this point, so I'm definitely confident in that.
Oh, good.
The kiddos are getting more independent.
Yeah, glad Tracy's here.
Yes.
Stand you up, stretch those shoulders a little bit. Maybe sometimes, huh? Not having to dig quite as deep, huh? Yeah. Well, that's that. You're welcome. Every week could be different. Just kind of try to find what's going on and straighten it up, huh? You're welcome.